Worried about keeping your home safe in 2025? In today's video, we'll break down the white heavy checkmark Best Outdoor Security Camera 2025. Watch this before you make a choice, so you don't waste time or money on the wrong option. From wireless outdoor security cameras with smart alerts to powerful home security cameras that deliver crystal clear footage day and night, we'll cover the top picks designed to protect your property. Whether you want peace of mind for your family or need the best outdoor security cameras for all-around protection, this guide has you covered. All product links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more security tech reviews. 1. AOSU Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. 2 minutes DIY installation. No subscription cameras for home security system. Local storage. 2K color night vision for surveillance. 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi 4Cam kit. The AOSU Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 4Cam kit is designed for homeowners who want hassle-free protection with zero hidden fees. Featured in the Best Outdoor Security Camera 2025, watch this before you make a choice. This system shines with its ultra-fast 2-minute DIY installation. No drilling, wiring, or technician needed. Each solar-powered unit ensures continuous operation while eliminating battery worries, and the cameras support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for reliable performance. The 2K color night vision offers sharp details even in low light, which is vital for spotting intruders or activity around your property. Local storage provides peace of mind without monthly subscriptions, giving you full control over your recordings. The 4-camera coverage ensures every corner of your home is monitored, making it perfect for families, rental properties, or larger yards. With a balance of easy setup, reliable connectivity, and top-notch video clarity, this system delivers maximum security value without ongoing costs. 2. AOSU Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless 4Cam Kit. No subscription, solar-powered home security camera system with 360 degrees pan and tilt, auto-tracking, 2K color night vision, easy setup, 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi. The AOSU Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless 4Cam Kit is a standout option in the white heavy checkmark Best Outdoor Security Camera 2025. Watch this before you make a choice. List because it offers a complete, subscription-free security system. Featuring 4 solar-powered cameras, you'll never worry about recharging or replacing batteries, making it both eco-friendly and cost-efficient. The cameras boast a full 360 degrees pan and tilt with auto-tracking, ensuring no blind spots and accurate movement detection around your property. With crisp 2K resolution and color night vision, footage is sharp whether it's day or night, giving you confidence in identifying details. The kit supports both 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi for strong connectivity, and the easy setup makes it ideal even for first-time users. Since there are no ongoing fees, you get professional-grade home surveillance without additional costs. Whether you're monitoring your front yard, garage, or backyard, this system is built to deliver full coverage and long-term reliability. 3. AOSU Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. 2 minutes DIY installation. No subscription cameras for home security system. Local storage. 2K color night vision for surveillance. 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi 2Cam kit. For those who don't need a full 4-camera setup, the AOSU Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 2Cam kit is a versatile and budget-friendly alternative. Highlighted among the white heavy checkmark Best Outdoor Security Camera 2025, watch this before you make a choice. This system offers the same advanced features as the larger kit but with a more compact footprint. You still get the effortless 2-minute DIY installation, subscription-free storage, and solar-powered operation that keeps the system running nonstop. The cameras deliver sharp 2K resolution with vibrant color night vision, allowing you to clearly capture people, vehicles, or movement even after dark. Dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz ensures steady connections, while local storage keeps your data private and accessible without ongoing fees. The 2-camera kit is perfect for smaller homes, apartments, or targeted surveillance like front doors and garages. It provides a reliable, user-friendly option that balances affordability and performance. If you're looking for a practical security solution without over-investing, this 2-camera package delivers robust protection with minimal effort and maximum value.